Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're introducing a fantastic space-saving ironing board that's perfect for any home. This compact tabletop ironing board is designed with convenience in mind, featuring a sturdy shelf to hold your iron and a soft cotton cover for comfortable ironing. Its foldable design makes it easy to open and store, ensuring it won't take up much space in your home. The board's metal mesh construction allows for optimal steam circulation, making it ideal for efficient ironing. Whether you live in a small apartment or need an additional ironing board, this versatile product has you covered. Plus, it comes with a bracket, screws, and dowels for easy mounting to a suitable surface. Please note, the iron is not included, but with this ironing board, you'll have everything you need for a smooth and hassle-free ironing experience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.